What's up, guys? Mike here. Today I got another stock for you guys that right now it is super bullish and it is going to be trending upwards from here, and I am already loading up like crazy on this stock. I've posted it to my Patreon groups. We got in pretty early on this stock, and right now it is definitely time to also keep adding and getting in before it breaks out even more. This stock, of course, is none other than Zillow, ticker symbol Z. Zillow Armadillo. That's how I like to call this stock. This stock is super bullish right now. It is going to take off and keep going. We are going to go over where is still a good time to get in before you're just too late and taking too much risk. We're going to go over some sell targets, sell prices, and we're going to go over some options you can choose from. Zillow has been a wonderful trade. I have traded already several times, and I think we are going to do another amazing trade with this one as well, and I hope you guys join me with this stock. So with that said, guys, I don't want to waste too much time. Make sure you always smash that like button, hit subscribe. It really helps out my channel and I really do appreciate it. Come check out my Patreon page. This is the last month I am doing my sale on the Patreon page, so come check it out, come join us, come trade with us, and make some nice returns with us. So with that said, guys, let's begin. Yeah. All right, guys, let us check out what is going on with Zillow Group, ticker symbol Z, like the zebra. You could trade the same stock under the other ticker, which is ZG, Zillow Group. ZG is just the same stock, but this one you have the right to do votes. Zillow doesn't have the right for voting power. That's the only difference you're getting between Zillow and ZG. We have traded this stock several times already in the past, and it is time to do it one more time. And right now we're actually getting at a very good moment. I've been loading up actually with my group, with my Patreon members right around here within the 90 to 92 area, 94 area. I still think there's enough time for you guys to still get in as long as it's below 100. I think it's still good to get in this. Anything below 100 is good to get in. Our first sell target is going to be 110. I think this time we are definitely going to be breaking the $100 area. Right now, Zillow is already pretty bullish. If we really take a nice look at this stock, I think we are going to pretty much get there. And I'm pretty happy about this because I've been waiting several times for a while actually for this to go down all the way so we can get in. And right now, it is definitely going to give us that opportunity we have been waiting for. You just have to be very patient with this stock. That's the thing. This stock requires a lot of patience, right? This one, whoever got around here, which me and my Patreon members were loading up around this area, right here between this area, I was calling it out. I'm like, load up here. We got nice 4-bar streak right here going on, which is pretty much where I started loading up right here. I got 4 days, and I'm like, all right, I'm in. So we started loading up here. It broke the box, got right back in, and then it became super bullish. And as we can see, it was right around the near 30 below RSI I like, and it's around 50 RSI. It's already breaking out. If you get it at any time above 100, I think you're just a little bit too late. Our first sell target is going to be around 110. That is going to be my sell target. That is where I think we are going to see this get up to. It could go a little higher. Why not? But that's just my first sell target. I think it is going to get there this time. It hasn't done it in the past because it just wasn't able to break the 100 area. But I think we are going to definitely be breaking the 100 zone this time. And I'm pretty bullish this time, all right? This stock, I think 110 is going to be where we're going to start selling our first sell target. And if it can pass 110, I don't see any reason why it can't go to around 120 plus. Maybe we might get a little bit of a resistance around 119. We break that, we could get to the 120 plus area. Now, this stock did do earnings, and they did very, very, very well in earnings, right? They destroyed earnings, actually. That's how well they did. They 2x that earnings. That's how crazy they did on the last earnings. So I think if they are able to continue doing that, we can easily see this 140 area very, very soon. If we check out what analysts are saying, these idiots on TipRank saying this stock is worth at least 140, right? And I think it can get there if it beats earnings, right? I think around 120s is where we're gonna get stuck at before earnings, but once they do report earnings, I think the 140 area is definitely a possibility. Right now, we still have to beat the 110 and the 100. That's the only thing that's holding us back, all right? But histogram did just cross shift upwards, and MACD crossed over. So did TSI. RSI giving us a breakout here formation right now. We just literally broke out on Friday. This stock is on fire right now. It is just on the move. Look at these huge candlesticks ever since Friday. It is on fire. This stock is going to continuously move up. I think we have a lot of potential for upswing coming for this stock, right? You just have to be very, very patient. It's not going to happen overnight, obviously. It can take a couple of days, even a few weeks, especially with earnings coming up right around the corner for this company. We could see some heavy movements coming up very, very soon. The next earnings date is actually on November 4th, right? So that's about a month and a half. So if you want to wait that long, you can, but I don't think anybody really wants to wait a month and a half for another extra $10 if it gets here, right? If it gets to around 110, I'm going to be already selling a bunch of my shares, right? Especially if it hits around 70 RSI, I'm going to take out at least a quarter of my shares is going to be sold. I'm going to be writing on 75% of my position. And if it keeps going up, I'm going to keep slowly selling off. And around 120, I expect to only be holding about 25% of my position, all right? I think there's a lot of potential in this one. I'm still going to be adding a little bit as long as it's trading under $100. I'm going to add a little bit more to my position. This is pretty good. I like where this is going, right? It already broke the box, right? We were trading in a box right here. Between here is our box. And it broke it. Literally on Friday, it broke the box. It says, time to go. I'm done waiting. And we get these huge candlesticks, right? We haven't seen these huge candlesticks in a long time. Volume is coming in big time, right? The SPY is just going down, but volume is coming into this stock, right? SPY is not doing too well. I think with SPY, we could see the 65 moving day average right here. So around 437 is where I think the SPY will go to, right around here, this 437 area. I think SPY has still some room to drop from 441. It's only like $3-4 more. That's like maybe 1 or 2 more days it can drop. Not too big. Maybe it'll drop to 435 and pull right back up. We've seen these huge drops before. It's nothing really too big, right? It's not too concerning. And the Feds are going to be talking this week on September 21 and 22 on tapering, as well as they're going to be talking about bonds and a few other things. You just have to be very, very careful what's going on September 21st and 22nd, right? Feds are going to be doing a lot of talking, a lot of tapering is coming up. They're going to be selling a lot of bonds probably, and also they're going to be talking about interest rates, right? I do expect them to say we are going to raise interest rates in 2022. That is definitely going to happen, all right? Without a doubt, I think in 2022 they are 100% going to raise interest rates again. Right now, just loans and borrowing money has been very, very cheap. Pretty much people are going back to work. They stopped giving out the $300 bonus checks. We are also supposed to start paying back our houses, like rents. It's coming back, right? Do expect interest rates to go up in 2022. I don't know exactly what time in 2022. It could be the quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3, or quarter 4. I don't exactly know when they're going to raise it, but I do expect them to raise it in quarter 2022. I might be wrong. They could hold it until 2023. We don't know. I don't know 100%. I can't say with certain that I know 100% they are going to raise interest rate at 2022, but I think by 2022, we should expect interest rates to increase. So be on the lookout for September 21 and 22, where the Feds will talk about raising interest rates, and they will also talk about tapering, and they're going to be selling some bonds that they've been purchasing throughout the crash that we had in March of last year. So this is going to be a stock you want to definitely trade and get in and out as soon as you can, and take profits when you can. You don't want to hold stuff too long, right? Especially when it's getting super bullish and it's going to break. It gets to 110, 120. Take your profits. Don't get too greedy and wait for that 140. Right? Thanks again for watching my video. As always, make sure to destroy that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so YouTube could alert you when my next video comes out. Also, guys, feel free to add me on Instagram. I pretty much post there daily. I post some buys and sell signals there as well. Also, other relatively remarks to the market as well. So, guys, check it out. Come and trade with me on my Patreon page. I do post a lot of awesome trades there. If you guys want to be part of that, come and join us. Leave a comment below. Let me know what other stocks you would like me to do a video on, or if you have a question on a specific stock, leave a comment below and I'd be happy to help you guys out. Also, do not miss out on the promotion right now going on with WeBull, where they're giving 2 free stocks, one just for signing up to use their platform, and one more when you make a deposit of only $5. They will give you 2 stocks for free, and one of those will be valued from $8 all the way up to $2,000. Check the link in the description box for your 2 free stocks from WeBull. If you want another free stock, of course, FirstTrade gives out pretty good stocks. Check the link for that one below. And of course, finally, Robinhood gives out pretty good, decent stocks as well. So check all those links from the description box below. Thanks again for watching my video, and until next time, make money with Mike.